name is David. I am from Nigeria and I'm currently an online tutor. I teach English and I help students improve their speaking grammar, vocabulary, and confidence. I speak English fluently and I also have experience working with students from different cultural backgrounds. I have a strong academic and professional background with experience in education, technology, and communication. I have worked with students at different levels, from beginners to intermediate and advanced learners. In my lessons, you can expect a supportive, interactive, and well structured environment. I focus on practical English, real life conversations, and clear explanations. I adapt my teaching style to each student's goals and learning pace. I use a mix of conversation practice, guided exercises, reading materials, and real life examples. I specialize in general English, conversational English, and English for academic and practical use. If you're looking to improve your English with confidence and clarity, I'd be happy to help. Book a lesson with me and let's work together to achieve your English goals. Thank you for watching and I look forward to meeting you in class.